In this video, we are going to build a fully working AI image generator using Flutter. And the best part is it's completely free and powered by Stable Diffusion via Hugging Face. And here in this video, I have clearly discussed about the Hugging Face, and also we have implemented few examples using it. So I am providing the link for this video in the description section below and suggest you to go through it. And by the end of this video, you will be having a fully functional Flutter application that connects to an AI model and generate image directly inside your application. And we'll be simply typing a prompt and the app will be generating the image instantly. So while let's get started with this video now. And I have already added the dependency here. So the dependency we require is HTTP for the network calls, and that's it. And also the video which I have provided to you for the Hugging Face, right? Once you visit that video, you can create your free account, and there you can also create a token, and utilizing that particular token here in this application, we are going to generate the images. And I hope this is very clear for you. And also previously we had dealt with the integration of Gemini API in both Flutter and React Native applications here, and these tutorials links I will be providing in the comment section below. And if you're watching this video for the first time and for more interesting content, I suggest you to do like, share and subscribe to our channel. And now we'll be getting started with the code, and I'll be clearly explaining you every step that we are going to write over here. So I have just added the basic skeleton for the application, that is stateless widget and stateful widget. And now that we need to have an interface for generating the image, and also we need to track the user input. So I have said, right, we will be providing a prompt, and based on the prompt we'll be trying to generate the image. So let us try to add the text editing controller and try to fetch the user prompt. So here I have added a text editing controller to capture the prompt, and also uint 8 list. Here we are trying to capture the binary data. So here we are trying to download the image, right? And for that I'm trying to add this particular, I'm going to use this particular uint 8 list here. And also I have added a simple boolean variable just to track the loading status. And the next thing is we need to generate the image. So I'll be writing the code for generating image and I'll be explaining you. So here you can see I have added the function generate image here, and this is of a type asynchronous function. So this runs in background because we are going to download the image, and also make sure the API call is successful here, and try storing the image in the variable which we have created here. So I will be specifying the authorization API key here. So you need to add bearer here and followed by your API token. So this particular API token, in this video I have clearly explained you how to get it, and if you are facing any issue, just let me know in the comment section below. I'll surely try to help you. And this is the API here. Now that we got the response, so based on the response we are trying to provide an error message if something goes wrong here, or else we are trying to store the image and trying to populate that particular image onto the screen. And finally we are closing the progress dialog here. And the last step is we'll be trying to create a basic UI here. So the UI is again for taking the user prompt and trying to display the image once the image is generated and downloaded to our application. So here we have provided the basic UI here, and I have added the app bar and provided the padding on all sides. And also in the column here I have specified multiple widgets, that is the text field and the sized box over here, to provide some spacing in between the widgets over here. So through the text field we are trying to get the prompt, and we are passing on that particular prompt here when you click on the button generate image. So we are passing on that particular prompt to the generate image here. So if you see the generate image, we are trying to capture the prompt that is being entered into the text box, and here it will be processed further by providing this particular prompt to the API call over here. And now that the image is successfully generated, then we are trying to stop the progress indicator over here and trying to display the image or using this image widget onto the screen. So I hope this is very clear for you, and now let's try to run this particular code. And before trying to run this particular code, I suggest you to add your authorization token over here so that you won't face any issue. So let me try to run on the iOS simulator here. Quickly I'll try to open the iOS simulator and try to run our code into this. And yes, the build is completed now, and we'll be expecting the application to be installed successfully. Yes, we have got the view now. And here let us try to add a prompt like create an image where there is a house and a garden. I mean, we need a house which is inside the garden. So something I'm just trying to imagine. You can add your own things over here. So yeah, this is what the prompt I'm trying to provide here, and let's try to see whether this will be able to generate the image or not for us. Yes, here we can see the image is now generated and it looks so much realistic over here. So I hope you found this video interesting, and if you are facing any issues in signing up with the Hugging Face or getting the API token, just let me know in the comment section below. And if you like this video, do like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting content.